Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike here, and today we have a PR package which I'm very excited about from a company called Sevengreat. Sevengreat reached out to me and said, would you like to pick some products in return for a video, and I gladly accepted, and here it is. Apologies, the packaging is a little bit crinkled up. My dog ripped it through the letterbox and decided to get into it. So let's get inside here and see what we got. So I got to choose a product and I chose this one. And this is our DIY cross-stitch. So as you can see, really like cross-stitch stuff. I do quite a lot of cross-stitching. And I have quite a few designs in my box, but in here I went for this. Oh, this looks really nice quality. So as you can see, that's the picture that I chose. As you can see, really sort of like sunset one on the beach. In here we have the actual design. So this is the design of it and the chart in which you'll use for the cross stitch and stuff. So really good. You've got your schematic down the side here with all the symbols and the cross stitch. So it works very similar to diamond painting with the coding there. And as you can see, the size is a 40 × 50. So in here they have provided us with a needle at the top there, as you can see. Very lovely of them to do that. And let's take a look inside. Oh yes, look at this. So these are all our different strands of the stitches that we're going to be using. This is lovely. Let's take a look at this and put the picture to one side for a minute. So inside here you can see that we've got this lovely cardboard material that we've got here. And as you can see, you've got, it's like plaiting someone's hair. So we've got all the different colours on this lovely cardboard. You've got your browns, you've got your teals, you've got a bit of peach, white. Just get that down a little bit for you. You've got blues, a little bit of brown, a beige, another brown, a sort of orangey colour, a blue, a pink, a yellow, an orange, a brighter yellow, a purpley sort of pink. I'd say that's probably purple or lilac. Then we've got a brown, a blue, probably a brownie colour, and a grey. Now these are really long, as you can see, so really decent amount, and the quality feels lovely. Really lovely quality there, so absolutely fantastic. As you can see, lots of length on it as well, so you've got a really good decent size of length. And yeah, that's our little thing now. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oh yes, look at this, guys. This is massive. Wow, 40 × 50 here, guys. And as you can see, this is the actual picture. So as you can see, it looks really lovely, nice and big. You got that lovely big schematic down the side here, which is really good, nice and bold and very easy to see. And it's 10 you got your chart here, 10 to 170, there. Yeah, lots of dark colours in between, and I think this is going to turn out absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I was really happy to be offered this. It's on your white Ada by the looks of it, so this is white Ada, yeah. And as I said, the needle is at the top there for you. So this is going to be really lovely cross stitch to do. Really love the design, and I think, as you can see here, that's going to turn out really lovely. So as I said, your schematics down the side here, and yeah, so really good. So that is that. And as you can see here, I just want to point out that they have got the numbers on here as well. So you've got 438 and all the different numbers along the cardboard thing here. So very lovely. I'm really impressed with how this just feels so nice quality. It really does. I think you have, let's have a look here. So you've got like, let's have a look. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 or 7 strands, depending on how big. I mean, obviously other ones are bigger as well, but that is that. But the detail, as you can see, is absolutely amazing. You can see all the little, the detail and stuff, all the different like little colours and that, and the block processes here. We've got some blocking down here. And yeah, it's really, really gorgeous. Lots of Christmassy sort of colours there. That looks like a little stocking, so that's pretty good. And even down to the yellow's quite nice. It's really, really vibrant as well, and that gorgeous contrast as we move away onto the purple bit as well, which is fantastic. So yeah, that looks absolutely gorgeous. So also, if you do want to check out 7great, they have a great website. As you can see, they're just doing some Merry Christmas signs here. You get a sale at the moment, buy 4 get 1 free, or an add to cart. As you can see, they do all sorts. We've got dragons here, really, really lovely products. You've got, let me get that down a bit more for you. You've got a canvas clutch bag there if you wanted to cross-stitch canvas and stuff. Really, really beautiful products. And then as you can see, if you go down here, you've got a table thing here. You've got big size cross stitches, you've got top sellers, you've got Halloween, Christmas. So for example, if we click on the Christmas one, you can see there's loads of different Christmassy ones. That is absolutely gorgeous, and you also get 5 for the price of 4 there. So get shopping with them. And let's just take a look at the 50% off. There is also a 50% off section on the website there. So as you can see, some really lovely sales. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like that. So 2 little towers there. It's like the neighbour is speaking to that neighbour up there. But as you can see, lots and lots of loads of products here. We've got also stuff here like loads of $3.99 there. So lots of leaves, very autumn sort of maple leaf there. And as you can see, teapots, houses. That's lovely. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The detail on that is superb. And what you could do if you wanted to, you could do the cross stitch and then just cut the border off. That's really gorgeous. So as you can see, that's 7great. And also, if you use my discount code, which I've got here, kindly given to us by 7great, if you use my code Mike06 off, you can get yourself a discount off your order as well. And yeah, so a huge thank you to 7great for providing this lovely cross stitch for us. Very kind of them to reach out to me. As I said, if you're not sure what a PR package stands for, it stands for product review. So as a creator, a business will reach out to me and ask if I want to do show some products in return for a video. So I get some free products in return for a video. But yeah, that's cross stitch from 7great, and I will look very much forward to working on this. I cannot wait, because I do quite a lot of cross stitch stuff as well, and I also bought these needles as well for the you know, you never know if you need a different needle as well, but it's just lovely that they've included one for us as well. And you've actually got 2 there. As you can see, if we zoom that down a bit, you've actually been provided 2, so that's very kind of them. But anyway, that's 7great. Thank you so much for watching. Get on their website now, 7great, and get your discount there, Mike06 off, and you can get yourself a lovely discount. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads on the channel, and we'll see more of this brilliant company very soon. Well, we get started on this, and I cannot wait to get started. But anyway, take care guys, have a lovely day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.